one down there already.
On the chair.
You know who all these people are. They're your friends. Just like our friends.
That's good, huh? Now where do you want me to put that one?
You really want me to tell you?
There's a cat ball right here.
Yeah, we got them all over the place.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, we have scattered all of that.
That one's kind of neat.
Tell you what, the dowsing rods just point straight ahead.
Are you following me? I thought it was following. Look.
Sure is.
I thought it was following me.
There you go.
There we
Thank
go.
you.
Come on, come on.
Can you make that go green again? One more time.
They love my REM plug.
Can we kill that flashlight?
Can we kill that flashlight? It's shining right in Jim's face.
Come on, light it up again, please. This time go to yellow.
We like the pretty lights when they light up. You never seen anything like this when you were alive? I think you would like them lit up like that too.
Are you down here with us? If so, can you point in the direction where you're at?
That's weird. You did it earlier, you can do it again.
Hey. Hi.
Did you just follow them down the steps?
Yeah.
If so, light these lights up.
Is that one?
Are you over there with them?
Yeah.
I wonder if they brought it down. Did you guys have anything up there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think it came down with you.
Well, thank you for leaving me wide open. I
Can
appreciate
you
it.
reset the rods forward again? Now before you guys came down here, these were pointing straight ahead with
So,
like barely any movement at all.
where are you pointing?
What do you think about everybody being down here talking? Is that okay with you?
That was me, sorry.
Can you reset the rods by pointing them straight out?
Pointing at me again. It seems like it.
Are you happy to see everybody in one room?
Well, we got everybody down here, right?
Yeah. Just like you did a little bit ago. Come touch all these green and red dots. It's all over the floor.
You snuck up on me. I was fucking out of there.
Watch camera, watch camera.
What happened? God, Lord, man.
Oh, shit, that's me.
Creeped up on me, man.
Oh my god, he jumped.
You know what? I'm not even gonna lie. I had my eyes closed and my head leaned back, and I opened my eyes, and she creeped up on me. Oh man.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
That's funny. I caught that right on camera too.
Jesus Christ.
What do you
So that's definitely on the blooper reel.
just out of curiosity, what kind of answers are you getting pertaining to? Are you getting it like more positive answers or negative answers? There's a reason I'm gonna tell you.
The answers that we have gotten,
Uh-huh.
I think seems more positive.
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe
I mean,
so.
nothing. I don't think anything's down here to hurt anybody.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
right yet.
Because everything we got upstairs was 8 out of 10 horrible.
Yeah.
Wow.
Horrible.
I missed it.
When you're saying, go ahead.
So, is there a battle between good and bad here in this building?
Now, were you up by the stage?
Yeah.
If there's anything you want to tell us, right now is the time for you to tell us. By touching these green and red dots that you see on the ground.
And if you're in the back, remember there's 2 cat toys back there you
We
can
got stuff
touch.
back there too. There's the music box back there
And the music box.
behind them. Can you point the rods straight ahead? Reset them.
There's a white ball on the floor back there too. Can you push it up? Can you roll it up towards us, please?
Can you cross the rods to answer yes or spread them apart for no? Is there something bad upstairs? Cross the rods for yes, spread them apart for no.
Can you cross the rods if something followed us from upstairs down here?
Ooh,
Yep,
it's trying.
that's a yes.
That seemed pretty,
Are you gonna know?
That's pretty definite.
Oh
yeah,
boy.
but that's the vibe I got as soon as you guys came
That was
back.
me, sorry.
Can you reset the rods? Thank you.
Can you?
Wow.
They should see me.
Can you please give us a sign that you're down here with us?
Can you point the rods at me for yes?
If you're not human, can you cross the rods? If you were once a living person, can you cross the rods?
What about the point?
If you want us all to leave, can you cross the rods?
Can you reset the rods? Straight out? Do you want us to leave here? If so, can you cross the rods for yes?
I get the feeling it's only one person that wants us out of here.
That was weird,
One
because they started to
entity.
go together and then said something stopped them.
Somebody turn on light on that cat toy.
Huh?
Somebody turn on light on that cat toy. I think it's soft move.
Do you feel threatened? If you feel threatened by any of us being here, can you cross the rods?
Yeah, they got apart.
Yeah.
If we are threatened, can you cross the rods?
If you mean us harm, can you cross the rods?
I'll say something. What used to be down there? What was this used for down here?
Dances.
And community
So-
events.
At one point, there would have been a lot of music.
That was
What?
me.
Okay. A lot of entertainment. Do you miss being able to just listen to music? Can you cross the rods if you miss music? Do you miss having entertainment down here?
Probably.
Did they treat you well down here when you were dancing and listening?
Shit, what?
Lindsay,
Jesus Christ. Steve,
went with them, man.
You scared me. Oh my god.
You know I'm catching all this on camera. This is fantastic. I'm blackmailing you now, Angel.
See,
Yeah.
it's not Dad,
That's
just
why
talk to me, Dad.
No.
I was
Decide to
literally
restart
having
it.
a conversation with her.
Mark, did you hear that?
It stopped on its own.
It stopped recording on its own. I thought, I know it's not full because it's got 128 gigabyte in it. But I thought maybe the battery was dead. Nope, it stopped on its own. I've never seen, I don't know.
I just worry about that.
That's me.
Can you explain why this place is so haunted?
Right here.
Okay.
Are you mad that we're here?
Yeah. I am freezing.
If so, cross the rods for yes.
That's me sitting down.
I am. Is that door open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there anything you would like to know from us? Touch any of these devices to make them go off. Or cross the rods. Are you wondering why we're here trying to talk to you?
Well, we had success when we were down here earlier with that,
That was
portal.
my last case.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I bet you miss drinking a beer.
Guys, bear with me 1 second. She's gonna grab her bag. She's gonna go home.
Is she walking home?
Yeah, she lives right up the road.
Are you sure?
Do you can you do me a favor? If you don't want no one to walk with you or anything like that, if I give you my number, can you at least like
I'll walk with her.
you wanna walk with her home?
Then we'll walk with them because she got you can walk by herself.
She says it's 5 minutes.
I just don't want her walking alone.
I got
can
you.
bring you
Well, do you? I mean, I don't know how comfortable you are. We have a vehicle. Do you want one of us to just drop you off home if you're 5 minutes away? You sure? Okay. Will you at least allow someone to walk with you, please?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
Let's grab a business card, and thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
honey.
meet you. Have a good night.
Bye.
do you want any snacks or anything to take home? Or?
I think I'm good.
Okay. It was a pleasure to meet you. Okay. Be safe. Please be safe.
What do you guys have set up back here in this corner?
What's
We got a camera set up, an IR camera. We actually have 3 IR campers going. We have them kind of like in a triangle.
Just
so
a
we're
couple
not
cat
flooding
balls
each other out.
up there.
Kind of want to just walk back here and stand and like observe from back here for a couple minutes.
Yeah.
If that's all right.
Yeah, we have like things like one cat.
I'm gonna turn the light on so I can see what I'm doing.
There's a little white ball we found back there. I put it on the floor to see if it rolls.
I said,
Cat ball up there.
there's nothing back here that's gonna go off on me.
What's that?
There's no like music boxes or anything.
Yeah.
Boxes back there.
It's all it's
Okay. Yeah, we just boxes in the other room.
I'm gonna stand in this room with the bike.
This is different.
Yeah, it's,
Man, I got mine over there by
mine's,
Yeah.
mine's is like 10 years old. My REM pod, for real. That is at least 7 years old. It's
Still works though.
yeah, it still works. I mean, it's
Yeah.
older than these newer ones now.
Right.
I was just wondering if that shit lit up.
So that
Don't
girl
start that.
said leave,
Don't even start that.
Upstairs, Vanessa did that Estes, and when I say dark, it was like
Very dark.
it was saying our names, evil, touch, rape.
Christ.
Talked about a priest tasting God's blood.
Wow.
Talked about it said pentagram, and then it said ram's head, and then it said
Offering.
offering. It
Christ's
said,
blood.
yeah.
That's kind of funny how we were talking about that sign back there. That
And then it talked about a veteran with a bullet, like dying from a bullet, and then Lindsay, like she said, 3 houses up from here, there was a veteran that committed suicide here.
Just a few months ago.
Yeah, there was like a huge standoff.
Would it say shot,
Mhm.
shot myself or something
Yeah.
like that?
It was like shot, bullet.
Shot, bullet,
Yeah, and Steven goes,
veteran.
is this a veteran? Not a second later, it goes veteran. You know, so.
And I had the feeling upstairs, like whatever is up there, He forced the showgirls to do a little more than
Yeah.
I think
they
you're
wanted to
100%
do.
right with
Yeah.
that. I
Well, that's what I
really
said.
believe.
They weren't treated as well back then.
Well,
as
rape
they
came
are
through.
now. I mean,
Rape did come through.
And I've
then-
got rape here before.
Yeah. You know.
Is that true? The dark man that's here in this building forced these girls that, you know, put on shows for everybody? He made them do bad things? If that's true, make these devices go off. We need to know the truth around here.
Is that coffee pot? Yeah, it's making like a noise.
Are you upset about the pentagram on the wall? Are you part of the pentagram on the wall?
I'm gonna cough. So you said what, you were getting stuff from veteran, how far away was that?
It was only like 3 doors down. Right next door here is a physical therapy place.
Okay.
On the other side of that is a white house, and on the other side of that one is a red house. In the red house, the guy committed suicide just a couple months ago, less than a year ago. And there was a standoff on the street for several hours. They were trying to talk him down.
Are you the spirit that, from the guy that committed suicide here, are you him? Are you in this building?
it's like everything left. I think it's still enough energy. I really do.
We're just trying to figure out who you are and what you're still doing here.
It seems to be very common here. You'll get a lot of activity and then you're dead for a while.
Yeah, like it needs to recharge.
That's
Yeah, and then you
yeah.
get a lot of activity again. Yeah.
Right.
That round pump was going crazy earlier.
It was.
Was it really?
Yeah.
What
Yeah, it was going pretty good
We
too.
even had ours upstairs going.
It killed
You
the
guys
battery
didn't
up
have
on
any
the
lucky.
piano, but nobody was recording up
No.
there.
Yeah. See, they didn't have any walkies.
Oh,
There we
there we
go.
go. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Can you get a little closer?
Thank you for touching that.
Just showing us that you're still
Yeah,
here, huh?
thank you,
That's
spirits.
what we just said about it.
Yeah,
It's like right when you think I'm gone, guys. Here's a
we
little
appreciate
break.
that a lot.
We just don't know who you are.
We're trying to figure out if you're a man or a woman. If you're a man, can you make it light up green? Just one time. If you're a woman, can you make it glow up yellow just one time? On any of those that you see on the ground. They all do the exact same thing.
That's me.
Is this place a portal?
Is this place a trap for spirits?
I did at the same time.
Can you make a knocking noise to let us know you're here, if you don't wanna use the lights?
Can you finish this?
first got here, I heard footsteps upstairs while we were all down here. Can you do that again?
Can you whistle?
Is this where you changed into your showgirl clothes at? And then went upstairs onto the stage? Was this your dressing room at one time?
Angel,
Mm.
raise your left hand for me for a minute.
Dude, tell me because my head's itching me like a motherfucker right now.
No, I saw your shadow moving on the wall. I was just making sure that's what it was.
Were you mistreated down here in the basement?
That's Mr.
It better have been that stomach.
Not like Frank earlier.
What?
I'm blaming it on everybody else.
Blamed it on me.
Well, you usually do it.
It wasn't me.
Spirits, if you're angered by the presence of all these people here, can you please make a noise? Touch these devices, anything?
If you're excited about all these people being here, can you make a noise or make any of these devices go off, please?
Hey Angel.
Yep.
Can you take a couple steps towards the pool? Okay. I was like, where'd my K2 meter go? I was like, where'd it go to?
Oh, crap.
I was sitting looking at his rim on. I'm like, where'd it go?
I'm going to apologize here in advance.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Here's my camera's the closest.
I probably caught that on mine.
I think they could have heard that down the block.
That was building up.
Yeah, I've been trying to hold this for a while.
Was that funny?
Yeah.
Do you like having a good time? Do you like joking around?
We growl. Can you growl?
If I start hearing growl, I'm out of here. I'm just rolling. That's it.
We got, we ended up getting, what was
That's,
it?
why would you leave? That's what we're looking for. That kind of.
You know what I'm looking for?
What?
You know what I'm looking for? A back rub.
Oh, don't even start.
Ooh, what the fuck was
I'll
that?
push you off that gym blade.
What's that?
I just had an orb come right. Whoever's sitting here to my right came from behind you to the left and then straight down.
Just
So that's strange.
That's me and you, Nucket and Jess. We're all sitting here to the left.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
What was that? That's Steven.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Wow. I'm
So
gonna
it
turn.
didn't take like a normal dust path?
No, it
Yeah.
came over and it went down.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna turn my light on so I can relocate for a second.
Your back to a spot?
Yeah.
That's weird. I'm not moving anywhere.
I really want to know, is there a portal here?
That's what I'm thinking too. If they were
Well,
saying
I-
about picking up stuff from
I had that feeling earlier.
like in the whole town, spirits kind of. And we have this creek right back here too.
Yeah,
Oh,
that, that brings
yeah,
a lot
water
of
does
energy.
attract
I
spirits.
should have brought some of my crystals.
I'm wearing one for protection right now.
Oh, I have some on my keychain. She buys them for me.
Beside you.
I'm right behind you.
I know, I was like, I was.
I'm gonna have to go out and take some seven here soon.
Hey Jim, you ever do the mirror effect? two mirrors together?
I have
I
not.
did Estes session in a room full of mirrors, in the middle of a pentagram once.
Oh,
Craziest thing.
in the middle of a
That
pentagram?
would be awesome.
Yeah. It was cool.
Jim, you okay?
Someone's just touching me.
Hey,
I hear that back there though.
Is
Stephen Angel,
that chair over there?
Just something was touching my hand.
right in between us, it looked like there was a white, like laser beam between us, and it was moving back and forth. I'm looking directly at you guys with my camera.
Are you from Pennsylvania?
Yeah, Jim.
Yins.
Yeah.
It's getting me.
Our uncle, Minnesota. He still says Jim.
And it's me walking.
I say y'all.
I don't know if that's
So
like
I-
on my camera,
Yeah.
but it was weird, dude.
That's awesome.
I'll say you.
Like here,
Yeah.
did you sleep right here?
Yeah.
Right in between them, there was this white beam. It was like moving back and forth right in between them while I was watching it. I don't know if it was a shadow on the wall behind these guys.
Lindsay.
Right here.
Oh. I didn't even see you.
Ah, that was me.
Oh, that's okay.
I didn't
Yeah.
realize there was
Okay, thank you. It shut off a couple minutes ago on its own.
Well,
we have cats.
Is there more chairs over there?
there's a yeah.
Yeah, you can move the cat toy. I just said.
There's 2 chairs over
Look,
here.
it's still going.
I noticed that.
I'm gonna relocate myself and turn the light on.
You can move the cat toy more sit there.
Did I just see you as a, like a white mist type thing? If so, make any of these devices go off because that was pretty interesting. I can let you go back. I got so much footage to review. This is ridiculous.
I'm almost 2 years.
This one's
2 years
Busy
behind.
playing Spyro.
Oh, that's your
Confiscate.
I ain't got no ones. Can you break a 5? Break a 5?
I love it.
I'm bad at times.
At times.
Well, look who you hang out with.
Mark.
Like
You.
No, Mark's it's all Mark's fault. We always blame Mark.
At times, from midnight to 11:59 p.m.
I can't believe we ain't getting no K to this at all.
Oh no.
Yeah, we did
Someone
earlier.
said on the piano.
I did.
Yeah.
And it was going crazy. We couldn't figure out why. I opened up
There's
that
been a couple
recording.
times we didn't get no K2 hits.
I mean, mine was bouncing constantly yellow. We thought something the piano was doing it.
You know something that just hit me? Did that girl want to just walk around when she was like, can we go outside?
Mm-hmm.
She said she felt hands around her neck like she was being choked.
Oh my god.
What, the young girl?
The young girl that she asked
Did
me.
you hear
she was
that?
like,
That was my light flashlight.
I thought somebody farted again.
I honestly thought he did.
No.
She wasn't even down here when we were hearing the choking noises.
No. It just hit me. I don't know why it was just popping in my head. Yeah, she looked at me. She was like, can we go outside? And she was like, she said that first session was amazing with all of us. She says absolutely phenomenal. And she was like, I was prepared, you know, that there is evil. But that last session we had upstairs, she's like, did me over the top. She goes, and I just constantly feel when she was sitting over here by this doorway, like someone was wrapping their hands around her neck. And,
Awesome.
Why would you have
Thank
to do?
you.
No, please don't leave me. Please don't go.
Was that you that was putting your hands around her neck?
Please don't go.
chills.
It's nice that you came and took a seat with us.
Are
I
you
just heard something upstairs. Did you hear that?
I heard a buzz upstairs or something.
I heard like a footstep up there, like one footstep.
I thought I saw movement over there, but I'm not sure if that was somebody
I'd
or.
get so excited I'd start screaming.
Why did you harm that girl that was here? That was not cool of you to do that. Are you a woman beater? Is that what you are? You need to stop that shit.
Coward.
Yeah, I just called you out.
Did you hear that again?
Yeah.
I heard
Was
it.
that
Is that a growl?
Was that someone's
I was
stomach?
gonna say it sounded like a growl.
I heard a growl.
I did too.
Is that anybody's stomach?
No.
No one's claiming that, huh?
Where'd it come from?
I heard it.
It
It
was
sounded
their
like it was
direction. It
behind
came
Mark.
I was gonna say it sounded like it
Jim
came
was
from
still
that back corner.
Where is Jim?
Over here.
Right
Okay.
here.
How'd you get over there?
He's been here for a while.
Did I just figure you out? Is that what you do? You hit women? Do you abuse them?
Are you the one from upstairs?
Don't be afraid to talk back to us. We have these red and green dots all over the floor. You can come touch them.
Again?
I heard
Lindsay?
that.
That was
Heard it
me.
again.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
You're such a coward. Why don't you push me off this chair if you don't like women? I'm right here. I ain't afraid of you. I don't care what you do.
I firmly believe something happened between some guys and women here.
They were hearing rape and all that stuff.
Right.
So.
I think that spirit's trapped here.
Could you imagine what it was like back then, though, toward women?
That's his punishment. He's trapped here.
Is this the same female singer from upstairs on the stage earlier tonight? If so, can you not make a knock up there on the stage?
You don't have to be afraid to talk to us. We're not here to hurt you. I know we are guys, but we're a lot different from the guys that were here back in the 1900s. We actually have respect for women around these parts now. If that makes you feel a little more comfortable, please step forward and speak to us.
You smell. I got a weird smell.
Yeah.
It was like a gross smell for half
Yeah,
a second.
nasty
Like
smell.
it was nasty. And like I have this pressure too behind my eye. Like it hurts.
Lindsay?
Mm-hmm.
Like I keep getting that. Like we've been down here a while. All of us.
Are you
have been
leaning
down here a
against me
while.
right now?
No,
Is
I'm
anybody
not.
else getting that? Like where you're all of a sudden.
I'm watching you move
I mean, it was
forward.
They
bad.
just smell it, like,
And you feel like you're being pushed forward?
Yeah.
I felt like something was
It's like
that
right-
you
it's like
leaned up
right,
against
like
my
that.
left
Yeah.
side.
Yeah.
Like I felt you on my elbow.
No, I'm right here. I haven't moved at all.
I thought there was women
Yeah.
inside.
That's
And it wasn't me. I didn't do
That's the
anything.
first time I
Like
smelled
these
it
guys
down
on
here.
camera, she's not moving.
No, you really?
Yeah,
I swear I thought Lindsay was leaning against my left side right now.
no.
Mm-mm.
Like I felt it on my elbow.
Yeah, I'm not even touching you at all.
Why are
If
you
you-
making us wait so long?
I'm afraid of how strong it's building up.
Yeah, me too a little bit.
If you are the evil that we talked to upstairs and you told us all those terrible things like rape and tasting God's blood and Ram's head, can you make one of these devices go off again
What happened to all the green lights?
just to know that it's you?
What's that?
What happened to all the green lights
They're
over
still
there?
No, they're just facing us.
Oh, okay. I didn't even notice. I almost got excited.
If you're still upstairs, can you stomp really loudly so we can hear you?
Do you need me to show you how to use the equipment again? You kind of responded to me when I asked you that before. If you need help, just let us know and we can show you how to use the stuff again.
Earlier, you made a cat toy go off back there near that post near the door. There's two of them back there. Can you make one go off, please?
Can you roll one of the
Is
cat
that
toys
you
to me?
scratching something?
What's
I
that?
keep hearing a scratching sound to my right. Is that? Are you moving
I
around?
hear it to the right. Sounds like somebody scratching at something. Somebody maybe scratching into it or something.
I scratched my head a minute ago. But y'all sitting here to the right?
Yeah, definitely to the right.
Miss Frank playing with us all.
Actually, I'm doing his left.
Oh yeah.
So it has to be you playing with yourself.
I'm scratching my knee right now, so if anybody is scratching, it's my knee's like.
That's probably what.
These, no, I'm literally just doing that right now. New pants.
Spirits, you could use our energy if that helps you. So let us know that you're still here. Do something. Make. Oh shit! Your fucking yawn got me.
It's his fault. He yawned first.
I didn't yawn.
No.
Yes, you did right before I did.
No, I didn't. What?
I yawned.
Did you?
I did.
No, it was right here.
I didn't yawn.
No, I heard it over there.
I heard that.
Dude, I did not yawn.
Well, there
I
was
thought
something
you
right
just
beside me
yawned.
that freaking yawned because I thought it was
just
you
yawned
now.
like within the last 30
When somebody
seconds.
else yawned, you see it.
Are you
No, I didn't
serious?
yawn at all. I'm being
You
honest.
yawned
Sit
at all,
there.
you said. I heard
Somebody
it too.
yawned right beside me.
I thought it was you, Steve.
I thought so too. It made me yawn.
No,
God,
I'm
you
not
say
yawning.
that, and I hate that because I feel something right there.
Are y'all stressing
You feel
about
it too?
Like, that's for real?
You just didn't want to say
Yeah,
nothing.
no,
I thought it was right
when
beside me.
acknowledge it, man.
Yeah, no, it's
I
like.
thought I was looking right at y'all.
Right
Like I
behind
swear
a
I
few
thought it
times
was
I've
y'all.
looked to my left already.
I yawned.
think there's
I
something
did hear
there.
And then
one
I
yawn,
yawned
dude.
because
Yeah.
she did.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Well, you know how it's contagious. Well, I thought he yawned.
My hair.
So I yawned.
Everything. I'm cold. I got a hair sticking
I
out
could have
all
swore
over
it was
me.
him.
I'm getting blamed for shit I'm not even doing.
One thing's gonna happen and I'm gonna run so
You did it, didn't you?
No.
It's a miniature.
Be honest. No, I didn't.
I'm going to
Somebody yawned right beside me with that.
No, I didn't hear nothing.
I even heard it. Mark said he heard it.
I'm dead.
I didn't hear it.
Underneath.
Dude, it feels like there's something over my right shoulder.
Let me look at your
If
friend.
there's anybody back there, can you make a noise? We feel you.
You know what's the beautiful thing about this? I just told Lindsay, I said I keep feeling like something's leaning against me. I was like, I just felt like a finger poke me in the shin, and each and every single one of you are starting to go, I hear this, or I feel this, in this direction.
Oh!
You see anything, Steve?
Like it's building up.
Something just pulled up my hoodie. On the
Way
hood,
too
like,
many.
Something black.
like something just
I
like
don't know
went
if
like.
it's near me.
I see it too.
It's
above
above
his
your
head.
head. There's something black above your
Is
head,
it on the
dude.
wall?
Can you shine the flash on above Frank's
Can
head?
I
Flashlight
see
back
that?
there.
I wanna see
Dude,
because
close
I
to the
had
Frank.
something very
You're
similar
close to the
happen.
Frank.
It's right above his
What do you
head.
mean you're close to the Frank?
It's right here. I don't know if
So
it's
what's
this
on the
right
wall?
here, but there's something right above his head. It's black.
Somebody shine a light over there on a
See,
flashlight.
even if I move,
There's nothing there.
no,
back
there's
there that
nothing
would be
there.
black.
Turn another flashlight off again.
Oh,
There's a
what
shadow
is
figure.
that?
Where?
Right
right
there,
here.
right
Right
above
above
his
my head.
head.
That?
Hold
And
on,
it's
turn the
moving.
light back on. Turn it on. Okay. So there's gotta be what it is. It's gotta be some sort of from that piece of.
Yeah, but no, it's gonna be.
It's not in the shape of the
No,
insulation.
it's
No.
not, and it's behind
Look.
Frank's head. Right
Look,
above
look how
his
long
head.
it is. It's like.
No.
And it's up here in the wall.
It is the insulation, guys.
It is the insulation.
Oh, thank you.
No, it's not.
It's
because
gotta be.
It's
when he turns the light on.
sorry.
See
this
what I mean?
this piece right here, this piece of insulation
That's
right
what
here,
I'm saying.
it's casting off here,
A sideways, and then
the
that
second
piece
time
over
I see him,
there.
How it's not shining right or by his head.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
move the insulation. See?
Yeah, it's
See
an
how it's
insulation. It
moving?
is.
Yeah.
Oh my
It is.
god.
Wow, that's crazy. Like, whoa. Frank, an orb just went right in your mouth, dude. I just watched it. Like, literally, it just cornered
Alright.
his mouth.
And I had somebody yawn right beside me. I still say it was him.
Some ghost trying to put his balls in my mouth.
God.
Frank's over here getting teabagged.
Oh no, that was.
Come on, dude.
It went in his mouth though. Would you still consider that tea bag or?
Frank, I would keep your mouth shut from here on out.
I gotta go out and get some Excedrin.
What?
Somebody knock.
But it just felt like there was something over my right shoulder, and I just.
Well, that was just weird because, like, I didn't think that type of light just from IR would make it look like that.
Okay.
Just don't close it. You love
Yeah,
something.
Because when you turn a regular light on,
Right.
there's no shadow on the wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was weird.
If my
I'm glad we try to debunk things.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I got that smell again.
Yeah. It's like
I'll tell
real.
you what, these are the best phones for recording, but boy, they take forever to turn on.
Almost like a wet.
Wet fart.
Yeah.
I swear, it wasn't me. Yeah, right.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Alright. We're just not gonna pay you no mind, spirits, whoever you are. We'll let you come to us whenever you feel like you want to.
Excuse me.
Oh, I guess I need my cane pulled back.
What happened last time?
Okay.
So
Sorry, I'm just turning up. Sorry. I thought I had it pointed down.
no, you're fine.
I must have got stuck on my voice.
Where's my jug of Kool-Aid? Is it still in the back?
Okay, she has really shiny shoes. That's what I kept seeing. Like I kept seeing sparkles.
I kept seeing on the stage behind somebody. I don't know if it was you or
I
you,
think
but
it
it
was
was
me.
behind somebody.
Yeah.
That's my phone.
Okay.
Dude, that's what the spirit box sounded like at the Conjuring house when it went off. Dude, that was so crazy.
Can someone give me some light for a minute? I'm gonna charge my light quick.
She will get that flashlight to work like
Can you shine me for a second?
Sorry.
It didn't help any. There it is. Excuse me. Sorry.
Put the light on there and just shouldn't say.
Okay. I'm so glad there's so many lights down here.
Spirits, I just put down a little flashlight.
Ooh, K2 is spiking like
Yeah.
it's crazy right now. All
It got
three of them
wicked
are.
cold just now.
Oh, there we go.
The door's open.
The door's
Nothing just
open.
went outside.
Okay.
Can you please come and light that device up on the floor again? Just to let us know you're here one more time?
Dude, all three of them spiked at the same time like that.
That's awesome. It's the same reading going on.
You might not know what a flashlight is, but you might know what a torch is.
Yeah.
So we just put a torch on the ground. If you can find it, you can turn it on for us, please. If you could do that, we would appreciate it.
The object I put down on the floor, if you come and touch it, it'll light up.
Is somebody here talking?
I fucking
Yes.
No, I think
Okay,
it's
is it
outside.
outside? Okay.
Okay, I'm like, man, I'm hearing
Yeah.
talking.
Something over here looking at my
Is
back.
that outside?
Yeah, it's the bar, I think.
Okay.
It's after 2 o'clock. They still open? Oh, this
There's a party across the street.
Oh, let's get some fucking alcohol here. Let's make a party here in the basement with the spirits. We can drink spirits and talk to spirits. How's that sound?
They sitting-
That's gonna be a new slogan. We drink spirits and talk to them.
Either way, you're getting spirits.
Booze and booze.
Booze and booze.
Oh boy.
Good one.
I don't get it.
That was funny.
Boozing up the booze.
Come on, spirits, give us some more signs. Don't disappoint us.
How's it go? Oh, my knees cracked.
I heard all the way over here.
Oh my
Heart
god.
attack.
Spirit, you're welcome to use my energy.
Oh my god. I feel like my knee just like fell down to my shin bone.
I'm gonna do the same upstairs.
If you want us to come back upstairs, can you make a noise upstairs?
Like, I'm not lying, like the setup that y'all have with little REM pods everywhere, like I think it as much shit as we just got upstairs on that stage, I think it'd be pretty fucking badass.
You know how we built it? Like the Bermuda Triangle. There's
Oh.
a triangle of REM pods.
Oh hell yeah.
Trying to
Nice.
keep it classy.
How many REM pods do you have?
3.
Oh
If you've
jeez.
seen that green light, you can go over and touch that. You can do that with all the devices we have on the ground. They're not here to hurt you.
So if that's something you could do for us, we would like to thank you for doing it. So can you do that for us?
Sounds like they're having a good time.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Does, man.
Something's drawing me back to that room.
They're back
Well,
there.
that's where you got touched, right? You were standing right by that door.
Oh, me?
You
Yeah.
said something, yeah.
Felt like something hit my hand.
Full time being down here, so something dragging right
The
there.
room with the bike back there?
That backside of
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
room.
Yep.
Is there anything we could do for you to come out and speak to us again? Just give us a sign.
Do you want us to go back upstairs?
Got that smell.
Yeah.
Every like little while, it's just like it's a breeze of just that
Right,
smell.
it'll just-
Yeah.
it'll
It's like
just take
really
you
bad.
a
It's
while.
not even a musty
It's just a
basement.
nasty
I just
scent.
smell
It smells like an onion smell.
Something rotten.
Not the normal basementy smell.
It smells like onions over here.
I can do that.
I think it's this hoodie. You're on an onion, Steven.
An onion sandwich. Mayonnaise, onions, and peppers.
No, I like Angel's idea of doing this upstairs. Same idea.
Yeah,
We just put it all over the stage.
How
Let's
was
do
the
it.
Just
bathroom
line 'em up.
again?
yeah.
I think we can do that.
Crazy down
Yeah,
Because I kind of would like to use it again.
Angel, does it sound like a plan?
If y'all are down, let's go.
Yeah.
Maybe what? Do all this with the phasma?
Phasma on the.
Why don't we
figure
do
we got a
Phasma
lot-
on the stage? Why don't we bring Phasma, do this a little bit, and do Phasma on the stage?
All at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, spirits, we're going upstairs.
We're gonna
Yeah.
take all this equipment upstairs to come talk to you up there.
Somebody's not with it, nothing.
So,
Yeah, we've given, what, some time for it to recharge up there?
I need some time to recharge batteries.